नमस्ते 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 गुड मॉर्निंग. तो कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप यू guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So today our topic is yoga for back pain. Lot of people you guys have comment me to do some exercise for yoga back pain. तो आज हम बैक पेन के ऊपर कुछ एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं, कुछ योगा अभ्यास करने वाले हैं. इसमें क्या होगा, एक के साथ दो फ्री. तो हम अगर कुछ शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं, आजकल फ्री में तो बहुत कुछ हो रहा है ना, तो अगर फ्री होता है तो हम उसको लेते हैं. तो आपको भी ये एक्सरसाइज ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम आज क्या करेंगे, अगर बैक पेन का एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो उसमें क्या होगा, बैक पेन तो आपका ठीक हो ही जाएगा. अगर आपका स्लिप डिस्क का प्रॉब्लम भी है वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा, और आपका साइटिका प्रॉब्लम भी है वो भी आपको यहाँ से रिलीफ मिलेगा. लेकिन करना क्या है, आपको जो भी एक्सरसाइज मैं दिखा रहा हूँ उसको परफेक्टली करना है और 1 महीने तक आपको कंटिन्यू करना है. देखिए आपको डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट मिलेगा, कंफर्टेबल फील करोगे. अगर इसको क्या करना है, इसको जो जब भी मैं दिखा रहा हूँ उसको प्रैक्टिस करो, और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट भी जरूर बताना मेरे को कैसे लगा आपको. एक बात सबको बोलना चाहूँगा, अगर चैनल में नया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. हमेशा ही मैं बोलता रहता हूँ, प्लीज़ मेरे साथ जुड़े रहना, ताकि मैं जब भी नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ नया टॉपिक के ऊपर, मैं तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाए और आप इस वीडियो को एंजॉय कर पाओ. चलिए आज का टॉपिक है योगा फॉर बैक पेन. शुरू करते हैं. Okay, namaste, good morning to everyone. So today we are going to practice a yoga for back pain. Inhale, raise your both hands side of the body. Exhale, turn your body to the right side, left hand over your knee and right hand back side. Again, continue please. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side. Very good with breathing. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Very good job, excellent. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. That's great. Inhale, center, exhale to the right side. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side. Very good, excellent. Continue please. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Very good, relax your spine. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side. We are just moving our back. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Very good. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. And the last one, inhale, center, exhale to the right side. Turn your body right as much as possible. Relax your spine. Relax and relax and relax. Very good. Inhale, exhale to the left side. Very good. Relax, relax, relax. Both hands come to the, bring to the both hands to the shoulder level. Raise your both hands up. Interlock your finger, palm facing to the ceiling. Inhale, center, exhale, bend towards your right side. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side. Just relax your spine. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. Very good job. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. And the last one, inhale, exhale to the right side. You have to maintain here another just couple of breath. Inhale, inhale, exhale to the left side and maintain. Relax, relax, relax. Inhale, center, exhale, bring your both hands in front of your body, bend towards the right side, down. Inhale, exhale to the left side, down. Inhale, center, exhale to the right side, down. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side, down. Inhale, center, exhale to the right side, down. And you have to stay here, couple of breath. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side. Very good. Inhale, center, exhale to the right side, down. Maintain just normal breathing. Relax, 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 relax. Very good. Okay, inhale up, exhale to the left side, down. That's great. Maintain, relax. One more time, inhale, raise your both hands up and slowly relax. Spread your leg in front of your mat. That's great. Just relax your leg. Yeah, very good. Just relaxing. Okay, turn your body to the camera side. Yeah, very good. Nice. That's great job. Now we are going to again relax your spine. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, turn your body to the right side and forehead touch to mat as much as possible you can. Inhale up, exhale to the left side, down. Inhale up, exhale to the right side, down. Forehead touch to mat. Very good job. Inhale up, exhale to the left side, down. Forehead touch to mat. Inhale up, Exhale to the right side down. Relax, relax, relax. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side down. That's great. And the last one, we are going to hold a little bit. Inhale. Exhale to the right side down. Maintain, 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 maintain. Nice. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side down. That's great. Forehead touch to mat. Relax, relax, relax. And slowly raise your hands up. Okay. Now come to the cat pose. Yeah. Your palm, your knee, your feet should be straight one line. Little bit wider your palm, your knee, your feet. Now we are going to cat to cow. Inhale. Exhale. Suck your stomach in. Inhale. Look up, chin up. Look to the sky. Exhale to the suck your stomach in. Try to look your navel. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Relax your spine. Inhale up. Exhale. Slowly, slowly come down. Try to maintain here. Maintain, 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 maintain. Relax, relax, relax. Okay. Now from here, just come to downward facing dog. If possible, then try to drop your heel. Try to knee straight. Try to tight your thighs. Try to relax your back. Just normal breathing. You have to stretch your body, relax, relax and relax. Now slowly come to child pose. Again you relax your back, relax your calf muscle, try to relax, just relax and relax, okay? Come to cat pose. Inhale, raise your right hand up and left leg up. Continue knee to elbow. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Continue please. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax your back. Inhale up, exhale down. And the last one, inhale up. Maintain, maintain, maintain. Very good job. Exhale slowly, slowly, knee to elbow, and you have to stay here as much as possible you can. Come on, relax. Slowly, slowly change your side. Same way. Very good. Inhale, left hand all the way up and right leg up. Now this time change your hand and leg. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue. Inhale up, exhale down. Very good. Inhale up, exhale down. The last one, inhale up. Just try to maintain here. Maintain, maintain, maintain. Exhale slowly again, knee to elbow. That's great. Just relax, relax and relax. Okay, relax. Now sit down please. Come to Ardha Asana. First fold your left knees and bring your right foot side of the left knees. Inhale, raise your both hand up, right hand back side. Left hand grab your right ankle and slowly turn your body to the right side. As much as possible you can back, look back. Very good. Just you maintain here, couple of breath. And slowly again, bring your raise your both hand up, come to the center, change your leg. Fold your right leg first. Bring your left foot side of the right knees. Again, raise your both hand up. Inhale and exhale. Slowly your right hand grab your left ankle. And you have to maintain here a couple of breaths. Relax, 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 relax. Very good job. Now come to the center and slowly, slowly lie down on the back. Very good. Yeah. We are going to bridge pose. Inhale, hip up, both hand back side, interlock your finger, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue please. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. And the last one you have to maintain here. Inhale up, maintain, maintain, maintain. Exhale slowly, slowly down. Okay. Now spread your leg. First fold your right leg, hug your knees, try to touch your knee to nose. Inhale and just try to normal breathe in. Take a breath, hold here, couple of breath, relax. Again same. Inhale, raise your left leg up, hug your knees. Just try to maintain here, couple of breath. And again slowly, slowly relax. Very good job. Now fold your left leg first. Bring your right foot over your left leg. Yeah. Hug your knees. Try to touch your knee to nose. Just relax your back. Couple of breath. Maintain here. Maintain, maintain, maintain. Okay. Very good job. Again, slowly change your leg. Same way. That's great. Hug your knees again. Maintain. That's great. Slowly release your leg. Now try to hug your both knees. Yeah, hug. Hold here. Inhale up. Try to knee to nose. Hold here. This is a very good exercise for your back pain. Relax. Now try to rock and roll. Roll and sit. Yeah, lie down and sit down. Sit up. Continue, please. Continue. Very good job. This is a very good exercise for your relaxation of your back pain. Whenever you feel back pain, you can do this exercise. It's a very quick, comfortable posture. That's great. Relax. Very good. Continue. Now we are going to halasana. Inhale, raise your both legs over your head. Yeah. You can take support on your back. If you cannot, if you have too much belly fat, as much as possible you should try yourself. Okay, just maintain. Okay, now slowly come down. Lie down on the front, both hand under the thigh. Inhale, raise both leg up, exhale down. Continue. This is also very good exercise for your back. Continue, please. That's great. Before we practice front, now we have practiced back. That's great. And the last one, inhale up, exhale down. Very good. Maintain. Okay, relax. That's great. Now we are going to Bhujanga Asana, Cobra posture. First, for the beginner, both palms in front of your chest as much as possible you can. Inhale slowly, so relax your back. And then we are going to normal, if you can, then little bit side of the chest. Inhale, arch back as much as possible. Exhale down. And the last one, inhale up, look up, chin up, look to the ceiling, try to relax your spine, relax. Exhale down. That's great. Okay, we are going to bow posture. Next asana is bow posture, Dhanurasana. So like you have to grab your both ankle, continue, inhale up, look up, chin up, exhale down. And the last one you have to hold here, inhale up, maintain, relax. Now slowly please come to the child pose. We have practiced a lot of asana exercise for your back, your front. So that's why we are going to child pose. Okay, one more time, lie down on the back. Yeah, first fold your left leg. Bring your left knees to the right side. You have to hug by right palm. You can take support. That's great. Relax your back. Look to the left side. Normal breathing. Very good. Okay, change your side. Same. Bring your right leg to the left side. Again, left palm over your right knees. Look to the right side. Relax. That's good. Same. One more time. Inhale. Raise your both legs. Bring your both leg to the right side. Again, right palm over your left knees. Just try to maintain. Relax your back. Relax. Same. Change your side. Inhale and exhale to the left side. Relax. Very good job. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining this class, sister. Thanks a lot. तो कैसे लगा आपको वीडियो? आई होप यू गाइस आर एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. तो प्लीज़ इसको देखते ही प्रैक्टिस कर लेना. जिन लोगों का बैक पेन है, साइटिका है, जिन लोगों का स्लिप डिस्क का प्रॉब्लम है, आपको रिलीफ डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. 1 महीने तक आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है रेगुलर. ठीक है ना? और प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना, ये भी बताना कि प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद अब तक आपको कैसे फीलिंग हो रहा है. मैं हमेशा कमेंट पढ़ता रहता हूँ. अगर आपका फीडबैक अच्छा मिलेगा तो मैं और भी मोटिवेट होता हूँ, नया टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ और एक बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करना. मैं कमेंट हमेशा पढ़ता रहता हूँ. ठीक है, मिलता है कोई नया टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए और योगा बस हर रोज़ करिए. लेकिन और एक बात, दिल के अंदर, मुंह के अंदर एक स्माइल ज़रूर रखना. हमारा एक सुंदर सा स्माइल हमारा पूरा डे को सुंदर रख सकता है. तो प्लीज़ कीप योर स्माइल ऑन योर फेस और हमेशा अच्छी बातें भी करना. उससे भी हमारा जो टेंशन बहुत दूर हो जाता है. मिलते हैं नया कोई टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. नमस्ते.